Freedom isn't fantasy. It's built in 2 hours a day. This is to show pensioners that you can still create financial freedom later on in life. All you need to do is create a daily commitment. I had to also look at topping up my pension fund. I started my online business, which allowed me to work 2 hours a day, earn 100% profit, and earn in dollars. Slowly but surely, I started to earn an extra income, and I improved my confidence, and I was able to enjoy my freedom again. I went from being stuck and limited to being independent and free, meaning this was the best decision that I made. This is also proof that it is never too late to start something new. Will you give yourself 2 hours of freedom a day to enable you to start your own business? Comment yes, and I will send you all the information.